Gina is the firewall administrator for a small business and recently installed a new firewall. After seeing signs of unusually heavy network traffic, she checked the intrusion detection system, which reported that a SYN flood attack was underway. What firewall configuration change can Gina make to most effectively prevent this attack? A. Block SYN from known IPs. Block SYN from unknown IPs. C. Enable SYNACK spoofing at the firewall. D. Disable TCP.
Okay. Everyone with D.
Show the explanation. This one was a tricky one.
Yeah,
Yeah.
we can go back to that one. All right, let's go to the next one here.
Systems within an organization are configured to receive and apply patches automatically. After receiving a patch, 55 of the systems automatically restarted and booted into a stop error. What could have prevented this problem without sacrificing security? A. Disable the setting to apply the patches automatically. B. Implement a patch management program to approve all patches. C. Ensure systems are routinely audited for patches. D. Implement a patch management program that tests patches before deploying them.
All right, everyone chose D.
James recently discovered an attack taking place against his organization that prevented employees from accessing critical records. What element of the CIA Triad was violated? A. Identification. B. Availability. C. Encryption. D. Layering.
I hope everybody noticed that that was the only one that was part of the triad too.
I definitely noticed that.
Oh, that's a good point.
Derek wants to deploy redundant core routers as shown in the diagram. What model of high availability clustering will provide him with the greatest throughput? A. Active/active. B. Line interactive. C. Active/passive. D. Nearline.
Everyone chose A. Good job. How you doing, Claudia?
Hi, how are you? Hey, everybody.
Oh, good.
Hello.
Hello.
Hi, everyone.
What's the next one?
Which of the following data roles are typically found inside of a company instead of as a third-party contracting relationship? Select all that apply. A. Data owners. B. Data controllers. C. Data custodians. D. Data processors.
All right. We got a mixture. Definitely got A, C's, one D.
So question like, why would you have a data controller? I don't think it's necessary, or a data processor.
So what is a data processor? What a data processor was the responsibility?
Like who is inputting the data and, like processing, making some, like information, extracting some kind of meaningful information. So the contractors can do that.
Okay, so we know D is not it.
Think of this in like a PCI credit card type example.
Okay,
Like the data processor could be the company that actually processes the credit card transactions.
Exactly. Yeah.
that could be a third party.
Yeah, third party can do that, the data processors. But controllers, like if it is like the meaning, like who is basically controlling the data, and like then it's supposed to be within the company, no?
And sometimes they act as on behalf of the data owners. But like inside of a company, I think the main two that you need will be a data owner and a data custodian, someone.
Yes, AC is must, but I'm confused on B. But I guess like B should be with the company. It's not be like the part of a third party.
Okay,
So
so we know
I would agree that B would be internal as well.
yeah. So A, B, C. B is a little bit doubtful, but AC is confirmed.
so A, B, and C.
Yeah.
We in this together, y'all. All right, really close. All right, that's what I'm talking about. That's good. Good to go. Awesome.
Nice.
Yeah. Get that one out. Okay, I'm gonna do one more, and then I'm stop. We're gonna do just the 5.
Ben owns a coffee house and wants to provide wireless internet service for his customers. Ben's network is simple and uses a single consumer-grade wireless router and a cable modem connected via a commercial cable data contract. After implementing the solution from the first question, Ben receives a complaint about users in his cafe hijacking other customers' web traffic, including using their usernames and passwords. How is this possible? A. The password is shared by all users, making traffic vulnerable. B. A malicious user has installed a Trojan on the router. C. A user has ARP spoofed the router, making all traffic broadcast to all users. D. Open networks are unencrypted, making traffic easily sniffable.
All right. We have more D's.
Does it say the network is open?
It's saying it's simple.
Doesn't necessarily mean it's open.
That's true. So we do a process elimination. A malicious user has installed a Trojan on the router. You said most likely. We can say that one is probably not an option. Then a user has ARP spoofed the
Okay, so
router.
B is not an option. Why?
Yeah, B is not an option. And then you have C. Those two are out. So the password is shared for all users, making traffic vulnerable.
That's all. No, that's also not possible.
Anyone have any input on this one? Why that one would or would not be the answer?
Like think about it, if you home, you share your password with your friends when they come home, but that doesn't mean that the traffic is unencrypted. Still, that traffic is still encrypted. You're just sharing the same password.
That's correct. Yeah, I see that. Okay. So we all agree that's the case, that just because you have the password shared doesn't mean you can sniff everyone's traffic. No, the option would be D. I'm going to select D. We'll see. All right, good to go.
Thank you, Red.
All
I
right.
guess I get stuck on that because it doesn't say it's open, so that's why I wasn't sure.
Yeah, that's why I think when questions like this, it's good to do that process elimination, like we did with the data controller. Using a process eliminating, it does help out. So you can narrow it down.
Usually, every time we are narrowed down to 2.
Yes. So I'm gonna stop this, and we're gonna go back to one of the ones we did earlier. Right. This one right here, I don't think we discussed this too much. I think everyone selected B on this one. Anybody want to give any input? Go ahead, Victor.
So I went with B because it said on the question, after seeing signs of unusually heavy network traffic. So I thought it was from unknown IP address. Yeah, like I was saying, I saw that the question mentioned something about unusual heavy traffic. So I thought it was from unknown IP address. That's why I went with B.
Okay, got you there. Anybody else want to chime in?
So what is the meaning of three-way handshakes here? Like by continuing the three-way handshake.
TCP three-way handshake, sync of knowledge. Basically, the communication used for TCP.
Okay, got it. Uh-huh.
I chose C on this one, and was going to select B. What made me change where it says spoofing at the firewall? That's why I chose C instead of B, because you wouldn't do a block sync for known or block sync for unknown, but here it says sync acknowledgement spoofing at the firewall. Now, one thing I do know, and you can look this up, is that you can actually use Nmap just to use syncs to see if a network is alive or something is out there without worrying about acknowledgement back. Spoofing firewall would be. Anyone have anything else they want to add to that? I think that was everything. Right. Go ahead, Claudia.
Rich, I just wanted to say you're doing an amazing job. I just popped in at the bottom of the hour and you're rocking it.
Thank you, Fred.
You're doing amazing. Have you scheduled yet for your exam or have you already taken it?
Next month, yes, taking it in September, the middle of September. I'll be taking my exam. Yeah. So
good luck.
Yeah, thank you.
Has anybody else taken it? Is Thomas or Taye, have they taken it?
Yeah, I don't know if Thomas is taking it.
I'll send them a note on the site, but keep up the great work.
Well, thank you.
And it's good to see you guys still plugging away. I see some new faces, but Chris and MSM.
Yes.
Good to see some old faces. So
it's always good to hear from you, Claudia.
It's good to see you guys. I miss you, but
Likewise.
I'm trying to rock away with these other studying and things like that, but I will keep popping in.
Okay, that's awesome.
Yeah, same here.
Thank you. Yeah, it's good to go.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, you guys are doing great.
Claudia, I sent you a message on LinkedIn as well.
Okay, I will check it out. I will check it out.
And good to see you, Chris.
Good to see you too.
Chris is my buddy. Chris is the reason I've he introduced me to this platform. I'm so grateful for it. It's the reason I actually passed. We were classmates and we're connected at the hip, right, Chris?
Yeah. I think we're gonna both end up at that Chicago CISSP chapter meeting this week too.
All right. Well, good night or morning or afternoon, wherever you are in the world.
You all have a wonderful evening, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.